How to share screen on Messenger video call. For that, you first need to head over to your Messenger app. Just tap on it to launch the application. Once you open up the app, just make sure that you are logged into your account. Then, what you need to do is tap on the person that you want to call with or share screen with. And once you have tapped them, all you need to do is simply tap on the video call icon on the top, right besides the eye icon. Just press on it, and it will start the video call. And once you have done that, it will start the call, and if they receive it, you will be inside the call settings. Now, once you are inside your call, on the bottom you'll have different options like video, your microphone, and then the media option. Just tap on the media option, and then you'll have an option to share your screen. So simply go ahead and tap on start sharing. And once you have done that, you're going to have to click on start now, and it will start sharing your screen. So once you've started sharing your screen, the other person will also be able to see it. And if you want to stop it, you can just press on the stop option right on top. And once you've done that, you're good to go. And that's how you share screen on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.